Picture windows. Rowlett, Texas, offers a stunning view and enhances the aesthetic appeal of any home. These large, fixed windows are perfect for capturing the beauty of the outdoors while providing ample natural light. Picture windows. Rowlett Texas are a popular choice for homeowners looking to make a bold statement with their window designs. Energy-efficient windows. Rowlett are essential for reducing energy costs and improving home comfort. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Energy-efficient windows. Rowlett Texas are a smart investment for any homeowner looking to save on utility bills. Custom window designs. Rowlett TX allow homeowners to express their unique style and preferences. With a variety of shapes, sizes, and materials available, custom window designs. Rowlett TX can be tailored to fit any architectural style. Whether you prefer traditional or modern designs, custom window solutions are available to meet your needs. Window replacement. Rowlett Texas is a crucial service for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your home. Over time, windows can become worn or damaged, leading to drafts and decreased energy efficiency. Window replacement. Rowlett Texas ensures that your home remains comfortable and energy efficient. Picture windows. Rowlett are a popular choice for their durability and low maintenance requirements. These windows are resistant to moisture, making them ideal for the humid climate of Rowlett, Texas. Vinyl windows. Rowlett offer a cost-effective solution for homeowners seeking long-lasting window options. Double-pane windows. Rowlett TX provides superior insulation and noise reduction compared to single-pane windows. These windows feature 2 layers of glass with a space in between, which helps to reduce heat transfer and improve energy efficiency. Double-pane windows. Rowlett TX are an excellent choice for homeowners looking to enhance their home's comfort and energy savings. Window repair. Rowlett Texas is essential for addressing issues such as broken glass, damaged frames, or faulty hardware. Prompt window repair services can prevent further damage and help maintain the energy efficiency of your home. Window repair. Rowlett Texas ensures that your windows remain in top condition. Residential windows. Rowlett offer a wide range of options for homeowners looking to upgrade their windows. From energy-efficient designs to custom styles, residential windows. Rowlett provide solutions for every need. Enhance your home's curb appeal and functionality with high-quality residential window solutions. Commercial window installations. Rowlett TX cater to businesses seeking to improve their building's appearance and energy efficiency. These installations can include large storefront windows, office windows, and more. Commercial window installations. Rowlett TX are designed to meet the unique needs of businesses in the area. Window glass upgrades. Rowlett can significantly improve the performance and appearance of your windows. Options such as low-E coatings, tinted glass, and laminated glass can enhance energy efficiency and reduce glare. Window glass upgrades. Rowlett are an excellent way to modernize your windows and improve their functionality. Picture windows. Rowlett Texas come in a variety of options, including wood, vinyl, aluminum, and fiberglass. Each material offers unique benefits in terms of durability, maintenance, and aesthetics. Window frame materials. Rowlett Texas can be selected to match your home's style and performance needs. Insulated windows. Rowlett TX are designed to provide superior thermal performance, reducing heat loss and improving energy efficiency. These windows feature multiple layers of glass and insulating gas fills, making them ideal for the climate in Rowlett, Texas. Insulated windows. Rowlett TX are a wise investment for any homeowner. Soundproof windows. Rowlett are perfect for homeowners looking to reduce noise pollution from outside sources. These windows are designed with multiple layers of glass and specialized seals to block out unwanted noise. Soundproof windows. Rowlett provide a peaceful and quiet indoor environment. Window maintenance. Rowlett Texas is crucial for ensuring the longevity and performance of your windows. Regular cleaning, sealing, and inspection can prevent issues such as drafts and water damage. Window maintenance. Rowlett Texas helps keep your windows in optimal condition. Window sealing services. Rowlett TX are essential for preventing air and water leaks around your windows. Proper sealing can improve energy efficiency and protect your home from moisture damage. Window sealing services. Rowlett TX ensure that your windows remain airtight and weather resistant. Window consultation. Rowlett provides homeowners with expert advice on selecting the best window options for their needs. A professional consultation can help you choose the right styles, materials, and features to enhance your home's appearance and performance. Window consultation. Rowlett is a valuable resource for any window project. Window measurement. Rowlett Texas is a critical step in ensuring a perfect fit for your new windows. Accurate measurements are essential for proper installation and performance. Window measurement. Rowlett Texas guarantees that your windows will be installed correctly and function as intended. Window style options. Rowlett TX offer a wide range of choices for homeowners looking to customize their windows. From traditional double-hung windows to modern casement designs, window style options. Rowlett TX can be tailored to suit any taste. Explore the variety of styles available to find the perfect match for your home.